Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Logitech G304 or G305 doesn't work. So basically what you'll need to do is take out your dongle out of your device for the safety reasons. Just turn off your mouse, of course, and take out the battery. So to make sure, just remember that the plus should be on the mouse back. So just it should go like that. Okay, now just put your battery aside. Okay, and now what we need to do is select the button that doesn't work for you. So we have the left and right. I will go for the left button because this button is most used, because we click on the programs and etc. And basically now you'll see the white button there. So let me take the screwdriver and I will show you. Okay, so let me just find the best angle to show you. Okay, so we have the white button right here, as you can see. And now what we'll need to do is just push some air there. So just take and just put some air in that area. Okay, and now you can try putting back again everything and seeing if that works. So the mouse, this click should pop back again and should work normally. Okay, if that doesn't work, what you can try is just cleaning with the brush or whatever you have on the side, and just clean it with the brush, or you can use even isopropyl alcohol, as you can see. So just clean and make sure to put it back again like it should be. Now just put the battery. Okay, so the plus should be on the outside like that. Now you can put this panel back again like that, and just turn on your mouse, put the dongle into device and see if that works. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.